everybody, welcome back. Hope you all subscribe our channel Jimmy's Creative English Vlog. If not, please do subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press bell icon and enable all. I also welcome your like and valuable comment. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word that joins together two or more single words, phrases, or sentences into one. We talk about the subordinating conjunction is a type of conjunction that connects or joins an independent clause with a subordinate clause. An independent clause is essentially a clause that can exist by itself in a given sentence, which means that it doesn't need any additional information to exist. A subordinate or dependent clause is one which cannot exist by itself as a sentence and only provides some additional information to the main clause. Here, we will learn more about subordinating conjunctions and their uses. Let us recollect subordinating conjunctions from the box given. Subordinating conjunctions, 8 types: cause or reason, time, place, purpose, condition, concession, comparison, and manner. We discussed about subordinating conjunctions of cause or reason, time, place, purpose, and condition earlier. We will learn the subordinating conjunctions of concession, comparison, and manner today. Look at the box given and find what are the subordinating conjunctions of concession. Subordinating conjunctions of concession: though, although, even though, etc. are the subordinating conjunctions of concession. We will discuss each one separately with examples in detail. Subordinating conjunctions of concession: though. For example, though it was raining, she went out. Subordinating conjunctions of concession: although. For example, although the kitchen is small, it is well designed. Subordinating conjunctions of concession: even though. For example, even though he is millionaire, he lives in a very small flat. Look at the box given and find what are the subordinating conjunctions of comparison. Subordinating conjunctions of comparison: than, rather than, whether, as much as, and whereas, etc. are the subordinating conjunctions of comparison. We will discuss each one separately with examples in detail. Subordinating conjunctions of comparison: than. For example, he is cleverer than I am. Subordinating conjunctions of comparison: rather than. For example, I will have tea rather than coffee. Subordinating conjunctions of comparison: whether. For example, you must decide whether you will go by train or by plane. Subordinating conjunctions of comparison: as much as. For example, I eat as much as you. Subordinating conjunctions of comparison: whereas. For example, Hilary is tall and blonde, whereas her brother is short and has dark hair. Look at the box given and find what are the subordinating conjunctions of manner. Subordinating conjunctions of manner: how, as though, and as if, etc. are the subordinating conjunctions of manner. We will discuss each one separately with examples in detail. Subordinating conjunctions of manner: how. For example, she taught him how to play the piano. Subordinating conjunctions of manner: as though. For example, they look as though they are heading for divorce. Subordinating conjunctions of manner: as if. For example, at sunset, the sun looks as if it is going down. We have learned subordinating conjunctions of concession, comparison, and manner. Today's session we will wind up. We will be back with our next video, Compound Conjunctions Part 1. Please do subscribe our channel, Jimmy's Creative English Vlog. Don't forget to press bell icon and enable all. I also welcome your like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day.